All seats he has more than that. Thank you very much. Any queries? Any queries?
Actually, I saw this movie. So, Sanjay Nayak has a more attitude, and she's an egoistic personality. So, how can we change the egoistic to that a particular way in regarding the business?
My friend, I talked about the negative motivation. Right? Vindhya Nayar was having a negative attitude. What she was doing, she had a negative attitude, and she was doing that. She was making all the players means discouraging all the players to play because she wanted that coach should have made her captain, and everything should have gone by her way. But the coach did follow the process of negative motivation by leaving her aside from that type of work. So after that, some point of time she felt that yes, I was wrong, right? And after that she realized that I was wrong. The coach, who was the leader at that time, who was all the managing at that time, took in the team, and at the result we can see they won the World Cup. So if you are thinking at a business point of view that any person who is having negative attitude, do not first of all fire him. That's the case of firing in a team, but do not firing him from the whole World Cup, right? That was the case of firing from a match, something like that. So do not fire him from I'm talking about business point of view. Do not fire him or her from the company. First of all, please ignore for some time. After that, you are thinking
I
that.
have a question. This movie is about Kabir Khan being a good coach.
Yes, sir.
Now, apart from good leaders, you also require good followers. Because every organization is not made of leaders. There's one leader, and most of the people are the followers. What qualities do you think a good follower should have in order to make a good team?
A good follower should have a good listener of his coach or of his manager, and
A good taker.
yes, he should gather all the information, like thinking about yes, the other person is a very knowledgeable person, respectful person, so please grab all the, as a follower, please grab all the knowledge and information from that person.
So, the followers should respect the leader. He should take the goals which he is giving and respect them.
Last,
Thank you very much.
Jyoti, Shantanu, Ajay and Ashik.
जब उधर ही रहना मैं बार बार कैमरा नहीं मूव करूँगा ऐसा वहीं पे रहिए कैमरा मत घुमाना
So, hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Asik Dorji, and we are our team members where we are going to present a brief presentation on the movie Faltu. Most of you might be thinking that why we have selected this movie. We will tell you after the walk. Before that, first of all I want to give a small summary about this movie, what this movie is all about. The movie is, in a movie, 4 friends create a fact university named Faltu, where Faltu stands for Fakir Chand and Lakir Chand Trust University. So in order to make their parents happy and proud, things take turn wrong worse. When their parents want to visit their university, fake university, they created everything fake, principal and the books, students, everything they created fake. So after that, however their parents visit, and then the bunch of fake foolish students applied Faltu, thinking that the Faltu is a real university. Then afterward, government news about this, knowledge about this news. Then government gets the file to the students and the members related to the Faltu, and after that they fight for their rights and the Faltu as the university and to give the kids education. So here now the question arises: what is the management expect in this movie? So the enforcement and creativity, innovation, task management, motivation aspects, quality outcomes, visualization of better future aspects. The rest will be illustrated by my team members.
Good afternoon, everyone, faculty and my friends. I'm Jyoti Chaudhary, and I'm going to illustrate this topic, creativity and innovation. The first one is focus on teamwork. In this film, we will find how to focus on the teamwork. If we are running an organization, we are in a team. We have to work collectively as a group. Our goals and objectives are same, and we have to work collectively, and we have to achieve them. The manager should also be motivated to the team member, to their teammates. By this, they can give their efforts and they can achieve their goals, what they are hoping for. And the second one is collect all required information that are related to their work. Collect all the data that are help to achieve the goals. It should be noticed that all the data should be collected by the all team members, and keep in mind that all members are participated in this or not. The third one is challenging work. We have to accept challenges as and take it as a opportunity, one-time opportunity. By this, we can give 100%. We can give our 100%. And we think analytically. We have to exercise our mind. By this, we can create new ideas and present new ideas. And the fourth one is conceptual thinking. Conceptual thinking is thinking before act. Basically, what we plan, we have to make imagination of that plan. That what we are doing and what we want to do. And what we, the concept, it should be noticed that the concept of our work is clear or not. And the last one is clear vision. The vision of ours should be clear, that what we are trying to do, what we want to do, and what we are doing for it. What we are doing to achieve our vision. And how can we do better to achieve our vision. Thank you. The rest part will be continued to my teammates. Thank you.
Good afternoon. The next is task management. Establish coordination among themselves. Yes, as we see in the movie that without coordination, we cannot able to establish a college by 4 people only. Then importance to the work. Yeah, without having an importance to the work, we cannot achieve our desired goals. What our goals are as compared to different organizations, or if someone are going for an NGO, then what are their goals? And if someone are for profit making, for revenues, then what are their goals are? The next are giving significance to workforce. Yeah, without good employees or without good workforce, we cannot achieve what our desired goals. In this movie, four students with their coordination with their total workforce, they achieved their desired goals, and they created a college where they used to learn whatever they want. Some want tattoo making, or some want to learn cooking. Then they can achieve that. Encouragement, yes. Without good encouragement, we cannot achieve. Encouragement in the sense you can say about motivation skills, or about just motivation only. Now next will be taught by Mr. Ajay.
Thank you, Thank Good evening, good afternoon, friends, and my respected teachers. I would like to, first of all, ask one question: what is a motivation? Anyone? Encouragement.
Encouragement towards a particular direction.
Exactly. Just we have to teach our employees, and we have to make a desireness and willingness to how can they improve or insist to do a particular work. That our motivation aspect motivate by a proper way. Just many kind of ways available for motivations. So if someone is we have to understand the mind and personality types, so that we can encourage the people, and then we will get the amazing result. That we will create a concept of motivation. So employee will provide us 100% significance to the organization. The next one is analyze the all external and internal circumstances. That's the most important task. That we have to face more and more internal and external situation. That actually just in the movie, I have an example regarding the Faltu movie. That they make a fake movie, fake in university, and they face the all internal circumstances, but they don't understand the external, because they don't have idea about the what will be illegal, or who will sue in the court. So that if we have to prepare about the internal and external circumstances. The next one is we understand the opportunity. That the once again important task, understand the opportunity. What is the opportunity coming and existence in around the world. So we have to understand the opportunity, who will take the opportunity, and who will get the success in these kind of opportunities. And the next one is create enthusiastic thought for everyone. That exactly, we have to do a particular work in an organization, and a manager has a lot of work for in organization, and to motivate to employees also, and rest of the lower level employees in the organization. So actually they have a create enthusiastic thoughts, so that the people or employees can improve his persistence, and who can survive in a particular way. The next one, doing work with enjoyment. Exactly, if we will not get the refreshment, and we have a lot of pressure, so we can't do anything. We can't get any 100% in an organization. If we will put the 100% in an organization, then we will get a 100% output. The output, we have to take a refreshment and enjoyment also. Then once again we can do work with a 100%. So rest of part will continue with Jyoti.
Quality outcomes. The first one is better results. Interest is totally depend on the result. Like if we are interested in doing any work and we have the work, we give our 100% and the result definitely become better. The second one is fabulous performance. Regarding this movie, we can understand that how to manage in a scattered situation. Therefore we understand and we give our 100% effort, and thereafter the outcome will become 100%. Thank you. The rest part will be continued. Next, thank you.
Excellent teamwork. Yes, in this movie, the teamwork is in an excellent form. 4 people, actually the 6 people have made a college, a university, an illegal university, and then after going in a particular good path, and they finally made university legal at least for 3 years. Then clarity towards vision. Actually, in this movie, everyone had their own visions. Some want to go in a cooking field, some in tattoo making field, someone in yoga field. So each and everyone have their vision, and with the help of this university, they are moving through their visions. Next will be
Yes, the next is that we can say
We need to
conclusion.
wrap up. It's already 10 minutes.
Okay.
Be fast.
Yes, continuously growth, better future results, significance to teamwork. Then all 3 conclusions we found in this movie. They face a situation on that in the I have example on dance on the dancing stage. They faced this kind of situation, and they got that result. So, finally, thank you.
So we are so we are okay now. Any queries and questions?
Yeah. You have said that excellent teamwork. You are making an illegal university, and you are saying that it is a very good teamwork.
But it's
How can you relate it with the management that doing illegal work is very good in management also?
No, just I am giving the management aspect from this movie. That they are managing the some way, they are managing the university how to run. That's why I am saying in this.
But at the end of the movie, they make the college legal at least for 3 years. By going with the same path,
Okay.
with a teamwork only, they had made legal university.
We are just focusing on the management aspect.
It means that we don't have any ethics of our own. First of all, we have to establish a business illegally, and then we have to make effort to make it legal.
No, we are just trying to convey you that this what is the management aspect from this movie.
Actually, we found that in the
That's the
illegality
point.
we have a lot of teamwork and lot of thinking. In the illegal, we have to face illegally sue in the court and many more things in the illegally. So we found the positive aspect in the illegal, and then create a negative, aside a negative aspect in this movie.
It means that it is good to form a illegal organization. Okay, it's okay.
It's not good. Just we are telling how can learn management skills from that movie, sir.
From illegal organization, how can we learn teamwork and coordination?
They are not
That's what I
making-
told before. That what is here the question is this: what is the management aspect from this movie? So I point out all the points, and they illustrate all the points. So now any questions? No.
I wanted to know what was the motivation behind choosing this movie.
Please contribute my question.